Hello, good. Hello, viewers. Good people. How are you doing? How are you doing all over the world? Today I am cooking okra. I know everyone knows this okra. I'm cooking this okra with a white polish. We call it polish. Some they call it ugali. I'm cooking my okra. And then now I will put spinach. You see that if I always said spinach, we get spinach from the plastic and then they put in the fridge. You see, it's freezed. They put in the fridge and then they said it take long time to eat like this to expire. Because yes, written that it's going to expire on the 2023. So that's why they put on the fridge so that it can freeze and take long time. You see, if I always say you used to eat the food that is from the fridge, even the okra. You see this okra, how they sell it. Let me show you because I'm filming thing here. Let me show you the okra. You see this? Oh, sorry. They always take like this in their packets. All this we buy it in the Arab shop. They always take like this so that it can take long time in the fridge. So after that, we buy it. And then if we want to cook, we take it out for the maybe only minutes or the minutes. And then you, sometimes if you see that it's late, you put in the water and then it will be freshness.
Jag får göra en video.
Ukuthi isikhathi esiningi nxa sitsho ukuthi sidla ukudla okuphuma efrijini sonke isikhathi. Ukudla lokhu kuright ngoba lokho okunye lokho spinach special okufana labo fruit labo spinach labo okra is very good on the body. That's why I like it. Every time I like the okra and spinach. But today I'm going to cook white polish. I want to cook this. Oh, it's very hot.
Mamma. Varför får du varje gång?
I want to cook this white polish today.
Jag kommer också göra det. Jag vill också göra en video.
Today I'm going to cook the church today. So and now I'm going to do this to start to cook my food, my supper. So I'm going to cook my supper now. Just go that door.
Jag får aldrig göra en video.
Det får inte göra.
Men jag har sett att några barn har gjort en TikTok.
It's still cold here, so sometimes if you are inside of the house, you're supposed to have a sweater or maybe a t-shirt that is warm. But the Swedish people, they don't have, they always have a coat t-shirt, a coat arm t-shirt. Not like us. we feel cold too much because we came from the country that is very warm in Africa. So now I am going to cook my porridge, white porridge. Today's a white flour. We say flour, white flour also. Yeah, we don't know. How do you call it? We Africa in my country we used to call it white porridge. This one. So today I'm going to cook my fufu porridge fufu.
TikTok.
What to put? Bueno, ungefaka uchaja hela mngi.
Den är inte ens slupat där nu. What? Han Kalle som gjorde den. Kan mamma sätta orange? Vad fan är det? Mamma ska sätta orange i Kalle. Man ska äta orange.
Orange is my favorite fruit. Fruits. I like too much orange because in Africa we eat too much orange. Not banana. Monday I to computer no, but don't make noise.
Nej, men jag vill titta där här bara.
Nej.
Men varför får... Okej.
Yeah. I don't know, it's better to take my video to this side. My viewers, namhlanje sipheka iphalishi lebhelele. Naphaya nxa sibuyela iphasika so isikhathi esiningi vele siyamsuka sidlela i-grown soccer, which means it's a vegetables. So as